2003 Honda CRV. This is going to be brake master cylinder replacement. I'm going to be removing this bar here. 12 millimeter, two 12 millimeter nuts here, right here, and you follow the bar right here, and those are two also 12 millimeter, and also these are two 12 millimeter, one here and one right there, right here. These two here. Right there for now. Let's see. Okay, it has other ones right there. One right there, one right there. Those this 12 actually. And this also is 12. There for now. Okay, I'm gonna be detaching these clips here that are attached to here. This wire harness is attached here. This one here, and this one I can't do it with one hand. Maybe I need a screwdriver. Oh, right there. Right there. So, oops. Okay, and right now I'm gonna be removing this 10 millimeter. These are 10. Gotta make sure you grab it very well with this. Oh, all right. Also remove the sensor. I mean the connector of the sensor. Those are 12 millimeter 1 and 2. And this here, I'm gonna remove this first. These two, so I can get the. I have something on the floor, so for the oil that is gonna spill. See if a regular can help me better right now, because now this is loose. Alright, now it's just about loosening it, and that's all. I already removed these two lines here. So right now I'm gonna see if I can remove this. This is a wobble adapter, by the way. This can be done with ratchet, regular ratchet, 3/8, anything. I'm just doing this so I can do it faster. Watchers. And this is the new one here. You can see the new one right there. All right, and now I can put this line here with no problems. I'm gonna see if they can go by hand as much as. Now this is critical. This is critical. Make sure this goes inside smoothly. By hand, as much as you can. I have to leave them loose because I have to pour oil in here, and I'm gonna let the oil come out through these lines. So make sure it goes inside smoothly. If you feel like it's getting stuck or something, don't keep going, because you're gonna cross thread it and then you're gonna have problems. And I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm gonna lose this a little bit more, so because oil has to come out of here in order for this to bleed. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I have to turn on the car, go inside the car and press the brakes only once at this point. Whatever oil comes out, because I don't have a helper, I'm gonna use a bar or something to keep the brake pedal pressed. I'm gonna see if I can use the seat, the front seat, that helps you to do this, like in this position. The seat is here, and then you put it like that and keep it like that with anything that you have if you don't have a helper. And only way that you can let the brake pedal go back again is when you have tied both of these. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, this is so loose, both of them right there. I have not installed this yet because this is gonna be on my way, so I'm not gonna install it yet. This connector, these are all loose. I'm gonna go inside the car. The car is running right now, and I'm gonna press once, only once. This is so loose, as I said. The oil, I want the oil to come out here, and I have something on the floor right there. So any oil is gonna spill on the. Okay, this is the metal bar I'm gonna be using. Once you press it, don't let it come up again. Don't let it come up again, because then it's gonna suck air inside. Okay, right there. See? Right there. I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna keep it like that. You see a lot of oil right there. Oil. Okay, I'm just finishing tying this here. Done about 3 times. This is for this, but you still gotta do the brake lines. This is the time number 5. Right there. It's all the way down. Lose this again. I'm gonna do it. I have decided that I'm gonna do it 5 times. See the oil coming out. So that's just for this to bleed, and then you gotta do the brake line. Okay, this is 19mm lug nut. Okay, just that's it. Okay, and right now I'm gonna be bleeding the system. I'm gonna be bleeding this first. For that, I'm gonna do the same again. That's the bar right there. Press against the seat, and that's right there. Pressing the brake pedal. All right. Now I'm going back inside and pump the brake pedal about 5 times and do the same. I'm gonna repeat the same process about 5 times, something like that. And I'm gonna be doing this one more time. While you're doing this, make sure you top off the reservoir, the brake fluid reservoir. Make sure to keep it on top. Do not let it go empty or anything like that. That's gonna be a big problem. So this is the last time. Then I'm gonna clean the surface with spray, everything, and should be done with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire right now, and I'm gonna go to the next one. It's the same process.